My name is Frances Salazar. My location is in Goodyear, Arizona, off of Estrella Parkway in Roosevelt. The reason why I decided to become a Dickey's franchisee is because, first off, I like Dickey's barbecue and I wanted to open a business, and I did a lot of research, and franchise kept coming back to me, and Dickey's just kept coming back to me. So it was more of my gut feeling type thing, and it's family oriented first and foremost, and owner operated, hands on. I love that, and so that's my reason. Training was very intense. It was a lot of information thrown at you at once in the beginning, but after you started to do the hands-on and as time passed, you had those aha, I get it moments. And I think Todd is very good, very repetitive and patient with you while you're learning in this learning process. So I'm sure there's a lot more I need to learn, but it's been a great 2 weeks.
So Frances doesn't have a lot of restaurant experience. She has done very well from the very beginning. She asks a lot of questions. She's not sure about something. She always asks questions, whether it's during a presentation or working block or block assist. She's very good with guests, very talkative, makes good conversation, can move the line pretty well too. She really picked up on that. Block skills overall still struggles a little bit with some of the portioning, but her cuts are really nice and her quality is very good. And so when she moves the block assist, does a very nice job talking to guests, doing that chatting, upselling, and then sliding things down and communicating with the register operator. She does a very nice job. And as cashier, she was always upselling, always hitting the big yellow cups, because we have big yellow cups, not drinks.
I have so many ideas. However, I believe that probably the best thing for me to do is follow the guidance of the team. Yeah, I have my own ideas that I don't think I should do at first. I want to get the store up and running and work with the Chamber of Commerce, immerse myself in the community, immerse myself with the knowledge of the businesses that are surrounding me, and take one step at a time, put my best foot forward every day, and before you know it, I'm gonna look back and say, wow, look how far I've come. Well, I have a very big family and very close family ties. I have 4 children and 13 grandchildren and 4 great-grandchildren, and we are connected at the hip, every last one of us. And so this is not just for me, it's for them. But I also needed something that was already family oriented. And so, and that's displayed here. Everybody works as a team, everybody pretty much connected at the hip at this business and making it a family. So the name of the pit is Puravida Pit. Puravida stands for pure life. So Pure Life Pit.